Most people know their expenses. They know they should save first. They've learned the concepts and still feel short of money by mid-month. Not because they lack knowledge, but because the first 24 hours after salary credit decide everything. If those first 24 hours are loose, the month feels tight. You spend before allocating. You delay moving savings you assume you will adjust later. Most instability starts there. Salary gets credited. You open your banking app. The balance looks bigger. For a moment, you feel ahead, but nothing reduced. Your rent is the same. Your loan payment is the same. Life did not get cheaper. Only the number increased. That small sense of relief is where order quietly breaks. You are not reckless. You are just early. I have seen this happen. Salary hits in the morning. By evening, a few small payments are done. Food, transport, subscriptions, savings planned for the weekend. The weekend passes. Savings move less than planned. The month adjusts around that decision. Not wrong decisions, just wrong timing. Money has not been assigned yet, and unassigned money gets used. Now simplify it. 3 buckets: salary, essentials, savings. Money must flow in that order. If it skips a step, instability begins. Tier 1 example: lower income range. Let us say salary is 30,000. Essentials are 18,000. Maybe 5,000 should move to savings. If 3,000 is spent early, savings drop almost by half. Nothing dramatic happened. Sequence broke. Tier 2 example: middle income range. Salary around 65,000. Essentials around 40,000. Plan to save 20,000. 8,000 moves early. Balance reduces. Savings shrink to 12,000. No panic. But stability drops quietly. You start negotiating. I will adjust this month. That negotiation repeats. Tier 3 example: higher income range. Income above 75,000. Here the risk is not overspending, it is postponing structure. I will move it later. If it is not moved on day 1, it usually does not move properly. Savings become inconsistent, not because income is low, because priority was unclear. That is why the first 24-hour rule exists. For 24 hours after salary credit, no lifestyle spending, not restriction. Correct sequence. First, lock essentials. Second, move savings immediately. Do not plan it, transfer it. Third, close the banking app. That full balance is misleading. It makes everything feel affordable before it actually is. Salary day creates a lift. Lift reduces caution. Waiting one day restores clarity. When money flows salary to essentials to savings to spending, stability stops feeling random. You do not need more income. You need disciplined sequencing. Next month, when the credit message comes, pause. Allocate first, spend second, and be honest. On your last salary day, what moved first? Essentials, savings, or lifestyle? Comment that below. In the next video, we fix the environment, because even disciplined behavior fails if your setup is weak. We will break down the single account trap. That is zero jargon finance.